Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our today's lesson, and the name of our today's lesson is Principles of Effective Writing, and it is part 3. It is the last part of Principles of Effective Writing, though the course is basically going to deal with academic English writing. That's why we have to know the principles of effective writing very well. That's why I have designed 3 classes on this topic, principles of effective writing, and we have already known and we have already conducted 2 classes of principles of effective writing, part 1 and part 2. Today we're going to learn the rest of the principles of an effective writing. The 8th point is that be objective. Present the information objectively. Your conclusion should arise logically from the information presented and be based on the facts and evidence you have collected rather than your own opinion or what you would like to happen. Look, the thing is that you have to be focused on your topic, and that is be objective. Don't need to write any unnecessary words or unnecessary thing, and give the logic of your opinion. Don't write like that. I think, I believe. Don't need to write those things. You have to write the facts that is true. You have to write, yes, the sun rises in the east. You cannot write that I think the sun rises in the east. You have to be logical and you have to be focused. That means you have to be objective, and it is that point. And then present the information in the most suitable way. In our daily life we may uh, do a work in different ways. You may cook rice in different ways. With dry rice, you may cook khichuri. You may cook simply rice or fried rice, and so on. So we have a lot of ways to present our thing to, like cooking. So writing is similar like that. You may present your idea or information. Sometimes it is needed to present your idea through any graph or diagram or illustration to express your feeling, to express your thought, to express the fact. So in your writing, in your formal writing, in your academic English writing, you may use those type of steps. That means table, graph, chart, pie chart, and so on. Here I am bringing an example, that is the average monthly rainfall to January to June 2014. So the first year rainfall in millimeter, and the name of the month is this line, horizontal line, and the uh, other line. So the thing is that you have to write this thing. If you have write these things illustrately, very describably, that you have you if you describe it like that, in January it is near about 50 millimeter, in February, so it will be so boring. Repetition, there will be repetition and other things, so it will be so boring to a reader. But if you just present this information through this chart like this, it looks very cool, it looks very beautiful, and also the reader will find the information. Besides that, the reader will not be bored. So sometimes you need to use these types of graph, pie chart, bar chart, and many more things to present the information in the suitable way. Then the last one is unity. It is the ability to stick the same point throughout an entire paper. In other words, what you write in your paper should directly support the main point of you're trying to express. You have an idea and you want to establish that idea in your writing. So you have to give logic, you have to give support basis on your writing. So you need to make your point clear. You need to make your position clear. In which position are you in, for what or for which, for what favor you are going to write, and support it well with evidence, with logical. For example, you're writing a paper about the importance of education. You should only focus on that topic. But if you write about other characteristics such as independence, it could be considered off topic. So you have to be focused on your writing. You have to be tight all of your paragraphs in a composition so that they are logical and they can provide the fact, they can clear your position. So focus on your topic. Then the last one is support. Support is the body of a paragraph or essay, and it is what makes the reader understand your point. Support should relate directly back to your main idea, topic, state sentence, or thesis sentence. If it is paragraph, so you have an introductory topic sentence. If it is a composition, you have a topic paragraph. So relate directly each and every paragraph or each and every supporting sentence with that topic sentence or with that topic paragraph. Then explain the main idea specially and specifically, sorry, and clearly. So what is your main idea? You should be clear very clearly. You should be present, you should be write it very specifically and clearly. So directly go to your main idea, go to your position, directly go to clear your own position, then make the reader understand your message. The one thing we are learning the principles of good academic writing is about communication. All writing, one thing is for communication. That means you want to serve your message to others, to a person or to other people. But if the writing fails to serve the purpose of your the message of your reader, so all those things we have learned already go to vain. Typically, for a paragraph, you can provide at least three supporting points, and each of those points should have a fact, reason, example, and a detail to make it even more clear. In an essay, you could have at least three body paragraphs that will support your main idea, that will support your topic paragraph. So, in the composition, you have two or three supporting paragraphs that will be directly related to your main topic, your topic paragraph, your introductory paragraph, and in a paragraph, you have two or three sentences that will support your position, that will provide fact, reasons, and other things. And of course, it will be connected with your introductory sentence in a paragraph. So that's all about our skills, principles of writing, uh, good writing, principles of good writing. So revise and rewrite. Here the thing is that it's not too much necessary, I think, but the thing is that read through your report, think about how can you improve what you have written, how you made your points clearly, have you used a variety of short and long sentences to help make your writing more readable, have you checked the spelling, grammar, and punctuation. And that means I think it is revise and rewrite in our every examination, or if after our every writing we have to do it, that is proofread, we have to revise, and if there is any mistake like grammatical, spelling, or punctuation mistake, just correct it and make it clear to your reader. So here I bring a mind map, that mind mapping, because I want to relate this topic to the principles of writing. Is that it's all about your thinking, it's all about your preparation before starting a writing. For example, if I want to write about wedding, then there are many things come to my mind, like guests and food, romance, my dress, and taking pics, selfies, parents, and so on. So at first you have to sort down those points and then make a mind map and go through your real life field. That means go for your writing. So that's all about our principles of good writing, and it's I think you are clear now If you have any questions or querying on this topic, please let me know and discuss on our discussion forum. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.